Have you ever felt like you're just drowning in a sea of interview transcripts and focus group notes? You know there's gold in there, but finding it feels almost impossible. Well, in the next few minutes, we're going to untangle that web and show you a clear path from data chaos to crystal clear insight. Sound familiar? Look, if you're nodding your head right now, you are definitely not alone. The sheer volume of notes, transcripts, and observations can be completely paralyzing. It's a huge challenge for sure, but it's one you can absolutely overcome with the right system in place. Okay, let's talk about this quote for a second, because it really gets to the heart of everything. In qualitative research, you are the instrument. It's your brain, your intuition that finds the hidden patterns. But the big question is, how do you turn that intuition into a reliable, systematic process? That's the key. And that's exactly what we're here to talk about. A clear, structured path that really does take you from feeling overwhelmed to feeling totally in control. So let's walk through it. We're not just talking about abstract ideas here. This program is designed to equip you with two critical things. First, the core skills of analysis, and second, the tech know-how to apply them super efficiently. It's all about making your work both more powerful and, frankly, a lot more manageable. So you might be wondering, is this actually for me? Well, whether you're an academic deep in research, a market researcher trying to understand customers, or a planner sifting through feedback, basically, if your job is to find the meaning inside human stories, then yes, you are absolutely in the right place. Okay, so what are these core skills we keep talking about? Let's break down the step-by-step solutions that you're going to master. You know, any great analysis has to start with great data, right? It's just that simple. That's why we begin right at the foundation, learning how to transcribe in a way that's actually useful and making sure your data collection is capturing the richest possible insights from the get-go. Now, for the real engine of this whole process, coding. To put it simply, this is how you bring order to the chaos. It's the systematic way you tag and categorize your data so that themes, patterns, and big ideas can start to pop out from the text. This is what makes the magic happen. And your journey with coding follows a really clear progression. We start with the fundamentals, the nuts and bolts, then we move into some really cool advanced techniques. And finally, you'll learn how to pull it all together to synthesize your codes into a robust, evidence-based theory. And you're not just going to learn one way to do it. You're going to build an entire analytical arsenal. You'll explore all kinds of methods, from in vivo coding, which uses your participants' exact words, to something as cool as dramaturgical coding, which analyzes social interactions like they're a play. This gives you the flexibility to pick the perfect tool for whatever data you're working with. But listen, knowing the theory is one thing. Actually doing it, that's a whole different ballgame. Let's see how this workshop really bridges that gap. And this right here is the key difference. Instead of just reading about what coding is, you're going to be in there, doing it. You'll move way beyond just understanding the concepts to building genuine, practical, job-ready competence, because you'll be actively working with real-world data the whole time. So how do we make this happen? Through active, hands-on learning. Seriously, forget about those passive lectures. We're talking about things like gamification, deep dive case studies, and lively group discussions that build your skills in real time. And to bring it all into the 21st century, you're going to get hands-on training with powerful software like Atlas T. This is where you learn to use technology to manage your data, streamline your coding, and even visualize your findings. It just makes your whole workflow so much faster and more effective. So when you put this all together, what's the ultimate outcome? It's not just a few new tricks. It's a complete transformation of your entire research process. You'll walk away with an incredibly powerful new toolkit. You'll be able to confidently move from raw data to deep themes, and then all the way to constructing solid, evidence-based theories. These aren't just abstract concepts. These are tangible, high-impact skills you can use right away. But maybe the most important takeaway is this. It's about the feeling. You're going to shift from feeling overwhelmed and challenged by your data to feeling completely confident in your analysis and, most importantly, in your insights. You'll have a system, a process, and the tools to back it all up. Every single data set has a story just waiting to be told. So the real question is, are you ready to unlock yours?